What are the latest changes in immigration law for Middle Eastern migrants? Attention viewers, if you are watching from the Middle East and thinking about moving to the United States, or if you are already in the process, you need to know about the latest changes in United States immigration law. These updates affect everyone, including Middle Eastern migrants, and can shape your journey in big ways. Just yesterday, the United States government announced a new visa integrity fee of $250. This fee will apply to almost all foreigners applying for temporary visas, including visitors, students, and workers. Starting on October 1, 2025, this extra fee will be required. The fee is intended to cover additional security and processing costs, but it means higher expenses for anyone hoping to come to the United States temporarily. In addition, the government is expanding detention facilities across the country. The United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement Agency is building large tent camps to hold more migrants. The goal is to increase detention capacity from 40,000 to 100,000 beds by the end of the year. These facilities are being constructed in states like Texas, Colorado, Indiana, and New Jersey. There are concerns about conditions in these camps, especially in areas at risk of flooding or hurricanes. Furthermore, new policies have been introduced that restrict access to services for immigrants without legal status. Earlier this month, rules were announced that generally bar undocumented immigrants from certain public services. While details are still emerging, this could affect health care, education, and other support systems for those without legal status. Enforcement actions have also become more aggressive. Since early June, there has been a noticeable increase in raids targeting migrants. The administration has threatened to use the military and even declare a state of emergency in cities like Chicago and Los Angeles to carry out these operations. Additionally, the Supreme Court recently ruled that the government can deport migrants to third countries, not just their home countries. This could mean that Middle Eastern migrants facing removal might be sent to a country other than their own, adding uncertainty to the process. At the state level, some governors are taking their own steps. For example, the governor of Texas has declared a curfew in certain areas as part of a broader crackdown on migrants. For Middle Eastern migrants, these changes mean higher costs to apply for visas, a greater risk of detention if you cross the border without legal status, and more restrictions on accessing services if you lack legal status. The situation is fast-moving, and the rules can change quickly, so staying informed is key. If you are planning your move or supporting someone who is, keep an eye on official updates and consider reaching out to legal experts or community organizations for help. The journey is not easy, but knowing the facts can help you make better decisions and prepare for what lies ahead.